Sir Arnold Amet made his statement during the closing of the three-day World Leaders Summit today. With the theme Nation Building, it is basically to equip individuals in different levels of the society to apply the Christian morals and values in their respective workplace.
It poses for you and I, and as a nation as a whole, is what is the wisdom in having so many parties? What is the rationale? What's the value? You got the freedom. Is it working? Now look, our metropolitan superpowers, US has two major parties, the Democrats and the Republicans. UK, maybe two or three major ones. Australia has two major ones, with one being a coalition, the Liberals and the National, is that right? And the Labour. And this is where we borrow these political systems from. So what goes on in the minds of our leaders?
There are 56 registered political parties in PNG, with 21 active parties in the parliament.
So in parliament there are 18 political parties with members and 3 independents that comprise the whole house.
Sir Arnold Amet said forming a new party is freedom of rights as per the Constitution. However, he believes it is not necessary to have many parties.
The freedom of assembly and association. Some years ago, prior to 2010, the registry of political parties and candidates purported to draft and got legislated by Parliament the organic law that purported to restrict the rights of individual members of Parliament from going from one party to another or forming parties. And in an effort to try to contain this continual increase in the number of political parties and our political leaders jumping from one party to another at random, and the Supreme Court said, no, you cannot proscribe that, you cannot limit that.
He said PNG's constitution is based on 5 directive goals and principles that also have Christian values. More than 300 participants from different levels of the society attended the World Leaders Summit 2024. Esther Gane, National EMTV News.